Hey guys, it's me Ashi Alexandra and I'm back again with another video. So today I'll be show you guys, if you guys can actually see I'll be dyeing my hair High Beam Intense Temporary Spray on Hair Color. It's number 2 Pop Star Pink. And let me just read the instructions in the back. It says shake well before using, hold can 10 inches from here and spray in quick. You guys can see I just don't wash my hair. I was thinking of putting product inside of it because to define my curls, but I don't want any like white stuff or anything inside of it, so I said I'm just gonna apply it on my wash hair. I did warning, use only directed, avoid inhalation of spray mist, avoid spraying in the eyes. To use hairspray, my suggestion is don't ever use hairspray for your hair. It made my hair extremely dry, and yeah, don't ever use hairspray in your hair. Keep your natural hair how it is, my advice to you. Wow, okay, so this is my hair. This is my hair. If I don't wash it, this is my hair. I know you're looking a hot mess, but it's okay. It's okay. Like, I should section it off so we can. Yeah, I should section it off. And then it's feeling too sticky, so we got some oil on top of this bad boy, and we're about to spray this up. My hair shrink up so much how the sun is coming out. Okay, I hope you guys can still see. Shake it up before you use it. Woo! I'm scared. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Who should I get a sock to put around me? You guys are not seeing this. Yeah, you guys can actually see something. Let me show you guys. The sun is messing up this video, but you guys can see like eventually you guys seen something. Anyways, we can just, I don't know what we're doing here, but the scent is killing me, and you don't want your girl to get an asthma attack on this in this video. I think this hair video is a fail. You're just gonna do some edges. You're just doing something quick. Nothing too intense, nothing too serious. Echo. My echo. And I'm not even sure if I'm even uploading this, guys. Well, if you guys see it, that means I uploaded it, but yeah, we just try to make something out of this nonsense. Okay, she look bad now, but she look good to go on YouTube. Okay, guys. This is a finished look right here. I can get my let's see, my in the back of my hand never cool. You guys don't understand how upset I am. My hair look. Let me want. I'm about to cry. Like my. What am I doing? I want to cry actually. Oh my gosh. I think I need to do another like gel patch like this. How I do it? £3.99. Oh, yeah. This had a heart. Oh my gosh. This video is over. Like, my hand's good. For so long, and how your puff could be so mega big, and my puff over here struggling because guess what? You gotta use a shoo, but you out here cheating and putting it in a shoelace up against stockings. So guess what? Today, I cheated, but technically this is my hair. And don't say technically that is the hair. There is no way your puff could be bigger than mine. But you know what, guys? That's it for today's video. Like, we is like it. Like it. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell like blang, blang, blang. Okay. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post another video. And that's it for today's video. But I got a hair beat. I got a video coming up. I know you guys gonna love it. When you guys see this hairstyle, when you guys see this video and be like, Ashley, how you get your hair that color? I'm gonna be like, do you guys really want this video? But thank you guys. Bye. Peace.